This is Lynn Imaging's how-to video series. Today, we're learning how to change the ink in an HP Z5600. At the control panel, select the information icon at the top left corner of the screen. Then, at the bottom, select the ink icon. It will bring up a reading of the amount of ink in the printer and tell you if any need to be replaced. Select the Options tab, and then hit Replace Ink Cartridge. On the left-hand side of the machine, lift up the panel covering the ink cartridges. Pull the empty cartridge out and replace it, making sure that it is firmly seated. Then close the panel. On the screen, select OK. The machine will run through its processes and return to the ink readout. You have now changed the ink in the HP Z5600.